This colossal beast is named Pertosaurus. It stretches over 30 meters in length, and when standing, its height rivals a 6-story building. A true titan among dinosaurs. Its immense size demands enormous energy, so each Pertosaurus devours hundreds of kilograms of plants daily. Living in herds, they can flatten a small forest in mere days. Thus, their lives revolve around endless wandering and grazing. Fortunately, this era's lush vegetation keeps pace with their voracious appetites. Typically, predators would never target such giants. But absolutes are rare. After all, recklessness exists. Take, for instance, those two ravenous Carnotaurus lurking nearby. Danger approaches. Yet, compared to these predatory dinosaurs, the Pertosaurus is the true sovereign of the southern continent. To their kind, adulthood itself is an emblem of invincibility. But, if nothing goes wrong, something always does. A few days later, a rare torrential storm suddenly sweeps across the land.